अस्सलामु अलैकुम क्लास 9th बायोलॉजी के प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स। बॉटनी स्टडी हब यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका दिल से खुश आमदीद। अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करें ताकि हर नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। आज हम करियर्स इन बायोलॉजी के टॉपिक को डिटेल से समझेंगे। ये टॉपिक आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। खास तौर पे पंजाब बोर्ड के एग्जाम में इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस जरूर आते हैं। हम पहले इमेज 1 फिर इमेज 2 एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। टाइटल 1.3 करियर्स इन बायोलॉजी। इंग्लिश, द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ बायोलॉजी गेट अ कॉम्प्रहेंशन ऑफ द वेरियस फिनोमेना ऑफ लाइफ। आफ्टर देयर FSc विद बायोलॉजी दे कैन सेलेक्ट फर्दर स्टडीज फॉर डाइवर्स करियर्स। उर्दू, बायोलॉजी के स्टूडेंट्स लाइफ के मुख्तलिफ फिनोमेना समझते हैं। FSc विद बायोलॉजी के बाद वो डाइवर्स करियर्स के लिए फर्दर स्टडीज सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। 1. Medicine and surgery. The profession medicine deals with the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. In surgery, the defective parts of the body are repaired, replaced, or removed. For this profession, students need to complete a 5-year Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, MBBS degree. Urdu, medicine diseases की diagnosis और treatment से deal करती है। सर्जरी में डिफेक्टिव पार्ट्स रिपेयर, रिप्लेस या रिमूव किए जाते हैं। इसके लिए 5-year MBBS डिग्री चाहिए। 2. Dentistry. Dentists specialize in oral health. They diagnose and treat dental diseases and perform surgeries. For this profession, students get a 4-year Bachelor of Dental Surgery BDS degree. Urdu, dentists oral health में specialize करते हैं। Dental diseases treat करते हैं। 4-year BDS degree चाहिए। 3. Pharmacology. Pharmacologists study the effects of drugs on human body and develop new medications. For this career, a Bachelor of Studies BS degree in pharmacy or Doctor of Pharmacy D.Pharm degree is required. Urdu. Pharmacologists drugs के effects study करते हैं और नई medicines बनाते हैं। BS Pharmacy या D.Pharm degree चाहिए। More careers in biology table. Veterinary medicine. Diagnosis and treatment of diseases in animals and surgeries in animals. Environmental science, solving issues related to pollution and natural resources. Microbiology, research on microorganisms to understand their impact. Genetic counseling, providing support to people on genetic conditions and testing. Nutrition and dietetics, advising on proper dietary habits to promote health. Public health, improving the health of communities through education, policymaking, and research. Biomedical engineering, designing and making medical equipment to improve patient care. Bioinformatics, analysis of biological data by using computational tools. Urdu, veterinary animals के diseases treat करती है. Environmental science pollution solve करती है. Microbiology microorganisms research. Genetic counseling genetic conditions par support. Nutrition diet advise. Public health communities की health. Biomedical engineering medical equipment. Bioinformatics, biological data analysis. 4. Physiotherapy. It is the therapy used to restore movement and physical function of body impaired by disease or injury. To become a physiotherapist, a 4-year BS degree in physical therapy or physiotherapy is needed. Urdu. Physiotherapy movement or physical function restore karti hai. 4-year BS physical therapy chahiye. 5. Fisheries and wildlife. Fisheries and wildlife departments also offer jobs to the biologists after a BS and Master of Studies MS degree in zoology, fisheries, or aquaculture. Urdu. Fisheries or wildlife may BS or MS zoology, fisheries या aquaculture के बाद jobs मिलती है. 6. Agriculture. Agricultural scientists improve farming practices, crop production, and sustainable agriculture techniques. A 4-year BS degree in agriculture is required. Urdu. Agriculture main farming practices improve की जाती है. 4-year BS agriculture चाहिए. अब दूसरी image. Careers in biology continued. 7. Animal husbandry. This field involves breeding and caring for livestock to improve their quality and productivity. For it, students can pursue a 4-year BS degree in animal husbandry. Urdu. Animal husbandry livestock breeding or caring से deal करती है. 4-year BS degree चाहिए. 8. Horticulture. Horticulturists cultivate fruits, vegetables, flowers, and ornamental plants. A 4-year BS degree in horticulture is required for it. Urdu. Horticulture fruits, vegetables, flowers cultivate करती है. 4-year BS horticulture चाहिए. 9. Forestry. Foresters manage and conserve forests and wildlife. For this profession, 4-year BS degree in forestry is necessary. Urdu. Forestry forests are wildlife manage करती है. 4-year BS forestry चाहिए. 10. Farming. The professionals of farming prepare farms, e.g. animals farms, poultry farms, fruit farms. In such farms, they grow crops and raise animals for food and other products. A 4-year BS degree in agriculture or specific farming courses is required for this profession. Urdu. Farming में farms prepare किए जाते हैं. Crops or animals raise किए जाते हैं. 4-year BS agriculture चाहिए. 11. Biotechnology. Biotechnologists use biological processes to develop products and technologies in medicine, agriculture, and more. A 4-year BS degree in biotechnology is required for this. Urdu. Biotechnology biological processes से products develop करती है. 4-year BS biotechnology चाहिए. 12. Forensics. Forensic scientists analyze physical evidence from crime scenes in criminal investigations. A 4-year BS degree in forensic science is needed for this. Urdu. Forensics crime scenes से evidence analyze करती है. 4-year BS forensic science चाहिए. The science of biology. Quranic verses. In the Holy Quran, there are several verses that highlight the study of life. Here are a few Quranic guidelines that encourage exploring and reflecting on the study of life. We made every living thing from water. Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 30. He made man from clay like the potter. Surah Al-Rahman, verse 14. By the hints given in both these verses, we can find the events that occurred in the creation of human beings. We are advised to think over the possible ways through which such events might have occurred. Allah also hints at the method of the development of animals, including human beings. Urdu. कुरान में लाइफ के स्टडी के बारे में वर्सेस हैं. हमने हर लिविंग थिंग को पानी से बनाया और अल्लाह ने इंसान को मिट्टी से बनाया जैसे कुम्हार. इन वर्सेस से हम क्रिएशन के बारे में सोचने की तरकीब मिलती है. Remember, biology opens the door to many exciting and meaningful careers. Urdu. Biology बहुत से exciting और meaningful careers के दरवाजे खोलती है. Dear students of Botany Study Hub, इस टॉपिक को अच्छे से रिवाइज करें. Careers के names और degrees याद करें. पंजाब बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और कमेंट करना ना भूलें. बेस्ट ऑफ लक, अल्लाह हाफिज एंड